What's up, everybody? This is Jamal Basit. I'm your helping PE teacher here at Lakeside High School. Not only am I your PE teacher, I'm also the boys basketball coach. And as you can see, I don't play no games under the basket. Get out of here, boy! You don't want none of this! You don't want none of this! Yeah, back to instruction. So, as you guys get the first thoughts about me, I know you're thinking, how is he doing this without moving his lips? It's magic. I'm nice and magic. Not only do I know magic, but I know how to communicate. You guys are going to get an email from me with some instructions about how to log on to the class and get into Microsoft Teams. That's how we're going to do our face-to-face instruction. That's how we'll see each other. Also, we'll do all of our assignments and communications in Verge. That's where you're going to do all your assignments. In addition to that, if you need to reach me, you can get me, call me, and get my information off the website, the teacher webpage. I'm going to see you guys next week. Peace.